Hello friends! Is your car losing power, struggling to start, or consuming more fuel than usual? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0252, you're dealing with a problem in the injection pump fuel metering control, a range or performance, which could involve the cam, rotor, or injector. Ignoring this can lead to engine stalling, poor fuel efficiency, and even breakdowns. But don't worry, in this video we'll break down what P0252 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0252 stands for Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control, a range or performance, which could be related to the cam, rotor, or injector. This code appears when the engine control unit detects that the fuel injection system isn't functioning properly. The fuel injection pump plays a crucial role in delivering the right amount of fuel to the engine. If it malfunctions, it can cause hard starting or even a no-start condition, engine misfires or rough idling, and honestly a loss of power and poor acceleration. You might notice the check engine light is on, hard starting or even failure to start, rough idle and engine misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and excessive smoke coming from the exhaust. Engine stalling while driving is another sign. Ignoring this issue can lead to fuel system failure and unfortunately some really expensive repairs. To diagnose and fix P0252, you need to locate these key components. The fuel injection pump, which is typically found on the front of the engine near the timing cover, controls fuel delivery. The fuel metering control valve, also known as the fuel quantity solenoid, is located on the fuel injection pump and regulates fuel flow. The fuel rail pressure sensor is usually mounted on the fuel rail and is responsible for monitoring pressure levels. The camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head, helps regulate fuel timing. And finally, the crankshaft position sensor, located near the engine block or transmission bell housing, ensures proper fuel injection timing. If any of these components fail, the ECU won't be able to properly control fuel metering, leading to performance issues. Faulty fuel injection pump worn-out components can lead to poor fuel delivery. Defective fuel metering control valve. If this solenoid fails, the fuel system won't regulate pressure correctly. Clogged or dirty fuel injectors. Carbon buildup can block fuel flow, causing rough idling. Faulty camshaft or crankshaft position sensor. If these sensors fail, the ECU won't get accurate timing data. Electrical issues like wiring, connectors, or the ECU itself. Loose, damaged, or corroded wires can disrupt signals to the fuel system. Step 1. Check the fuel injection pump for any leaks or mechanical failure. Replace if necessary. Step 2. Inspect the fuel metering control valve and clean or replace it if faulty. Step 3. Test the fuel rail pressure sensor and replace if it's sending incorrect readings. Step 4. Clean or replace the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors if they're malfunctioning. Step 5. Inspect all wiring harnesses and connectors for loose or corroded connections. And Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0252 is a serious fuel system issue that can lead to hard starts, engine stalling, and poor fuel economy. Fixing it early will prevent costly damage and keep your car running smoothly. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos: P0191, Fuel Rail Pressure Sensor Circuit Range or Performance, and P0192, Fuel Rail Pressure Sensor Circuit Low Input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.